Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Lucknow. We have had the most amazing time. We've gone to see cricket. We've ate loads of nice food. Lucknow's been amazing, but today we are leaving. We're heading to a very famous place, Varanasi. And we've got to get the 7-hour train CC class. So, let's go.
First task of the day is checking out. Checkout was 11 AM, but they kindly gave us to 12 AM because our train isn't till 1. This is our lovely hotel we've been staying at for 4 nights. It's got like loads of ground, like greenery, and it's like a beautiful white building with like a balcony bit. It's been really nice, and the host has been amazing. She's like looked after us, phoned us every morning, check if we want breakfast, check if we want the room clean, given us bottles of water. It's been a really nice day. The name, the location, everything will be in the description down below if you want to stay here in Lucknow. It's about a 20-minute, 30-minute walking distance to the famous Lulu Mall and the cricket ground, so it's quite a good location. It's just you need to get a tuk-tuk to the city centre. That's quite far. First of all, Ben needs to get on the app and order us a tuk-tuk to the train station because it's like a 2-hour walk and we ain't walking that. Yeah, but we've only got like a 500 note, I think, which I know, being an experienced traveller, is a classic mistake. Let's see what happens. We might have a cushy guy. It took us a few attempts to get a tuk-tuk, but we've got one. He should be on his way. Sometimes they just don't move, so you have to cancel and restart it. It should be literally 1 minute around the corner. The tuk-tuk is 150. We've only got 500, so hopefully they got the change. Oh. Yes. Okay, thank you. Anyway. No change, brother? Okay. Yeah, anyway. Down your bed. Had change, it's a fair guy, so we tipped him. That's what we like, innit, Ben? What we like. Take. Then there, yeah? Thank you. All the train station are quite impressive buildings. He said that we were in that one. I think there's like 2 train stations here, but we checked we're at Junction, and that one's at NR. So we're going to head over there. If you just check the board, it literally tells you the platform you're on. Just check the number against your train on there, and then you can jump on it. The board there. Down there, Ben. Chris said this is our train, but we've got no water at all, so we're going to go and grab some first of all. Get some from here.
60 rupees. Get these as well.
Whatever you want. What do you got here?
100.
100. That was 100.
From?
England. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Thank you.
Okay, we're in CC class, cart 1. So we need to look out for cart 1. This is 2nd class. I can't see carts at the moment. You can just see like seat numbers. Obviously, we went the wrong way, all the way down the other end.
Big long train as well, isn't it?
Luckily, we've got time to spare and we're on time. For once. Cabin 1. AC chair. What can't you see inside? 36 what?
36 and 37.
36 and 37. This is the only AC car. Oh wow. Go on. This is 60. 36 and 37. Oh, you're joking me. One's there and one's there. We've been on the train for about an hour now. Ben's just got himself a coffee, 20 rupee. How is it?
It's good. It's probably the best coffee I've had off one of these vendors since I've been in. Proper nice, proper creamy. In that part, I thought it might be like ready-made coffee, but it's not. It's just hot milk, and then they put the sachet in.
It's now 2:10 and we left at 1:10. Ben's already moaning that he's bored. I said, go and have a little walk or film or something, but he just won't do anything about me.
I won't.
This is our first time on a CC class train, and it's actually really nice. There's only one cabin here because obviously it's like closed off.
Now I feel like I'm in India. This is what I love doing. This is what I love doing in different countries, but India is something else.
Now it feels like we're more in India. The doors open on the train. We're hanging out here. It's lovely. This breeze is so nice.
That's the thing though, it's nice being in the aircon, but it's nice being like, this is like the real Indian train experience. This is what you come to India for. We don't get this where we come from. We don't get this like...
You can't have the doors open.
No freedom.
So I'm about 2.5 hours into it, a little bit bored. Not really much to do, but...
Yeah, we're sat in a real awkward place. Like, we've now been like, obviously as the train goes forward, different people get on and we've been separated. So we've got the aisle between us.
Yeah, and then people in front of us. We always get weird seats, so random. But that's why we've come out here so we can actually talk. And we're just going to sit at the doorway. We've got a little door here. We can watch. We'll have a great bar outside. Right, got to show you what the toilet's like. Oh gosh. Woo! I realised it was that crap. We have a Western toilet, flush, a little fan if you need to sit here a while. Also sink, working water and soap. Actually alright, nice. Doesn't smell. Yeah, actually a really nice toilet. Bloody hell. Once it gets going. We've made it to Varanasi at last and I'm stuck. That was a long train journey. It was 7 hours, but it just felt long, didn't it?
Yeah, it is. Like we said earlier, it was a little bit like, we was in a little bit of an awkward place.
Yeah, where I weren't sitting next to Ben, I didn't have no one to lean on.
Yeah.
Normally I'm like all over him like that, but it was like, there was a pathway between us, so
It was alright. It was alright in the end though.
That was fine. We got here,
A few chars and stuff.
got us from point A to point B. Right, let's find a way out of there.
To be honest, right, that was actually like the most stressful taxi experience I've had since I've been here in India. Just absolute chaos. Everyone was trying to grab you to get you in the tuk-tuk. I know that's what they do, and that's what you get. But I was just getting a little bit stressed out with it. It's nice to be in a taxi and actually heading to our hotel now. Cannot wait to get it.
Driver dropped us off about 10 minutes away. I'm not sure whether it's because we need to get through alleyways or because it was 5 metres, which we agreed on the price for.
5 kilometres.
5 Ben! Ooh, a massive turd.
Oh, sorry, I thought it was a snake or something.
I'm not cleaning that off your shoes. Hello. Hello. But our hotel should be somewhere down these little alleyways. I'm just trying to find this hotel. Oh, it might be... Is this it?
No, I swear it was at the end.
Oh my god, keep going then. Oh, I'm just done here and I've got a banging headache. The traffic's mental and the horns are going right through me. Just need to get to bed now and I need some food. I'm hangry. That's our place. It's really well signed actually. We've just been following these.
Well, you'd need them.
Hey, there it is. Yeah, you'd never find it otherwise. But we found it. Woo. Get your booking out, get in, get it done. We've made it to our room. I'm absolutely shattered. You know, it's just one of them days. It hasn't even been that long or hard, really, but everything just felt like just a bit too much. Yeah, it's just been one of them days. It hasn't. It's been an easy day, but you know, and you just everything gets on top of you. I don't know why. I think I'm just really tired today, and I'm hangry now. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. This is just our room. We're only here for 2 nights, unfortunately, because we are running out of time. We need to get to Kolkata and fly out there in a certain amount of time, so we're kind of on the move at the moment. We're just going to order a couple of pizzas because I just fancy something easy and like bready. That's what I want. Ben's just ordered that. It's going to cost us 500 rupees. There's a little like shop outside, so I'm going to grab some crisps to go with it, and I need like a fizzy drink. I really fancy one. Then I'm going to crash in bed with a film because I am done in. We'll see you in the morning. I think we've got breakfast here. If we have, we'll show you. If we haven't, we'll just see you in the morning. Night. Good morning, guys. We've just had a phone call. Our breakfast is ready, so we're heading down below. Nice little seating area.
With our phone call this morning, he offered me loads of different things, and only one of them I understood, which was jam and toast. We've literally got jam and toast.
4 bits. I'm actually really happy with that. I need a bit of like not spicy food in me for once.
Set the stomach, but to be honest, there's so much good stuff we're going to be trying on this trip that I'm a little bit gutted. We're in India. I wanted to eat something Indian.
Obviously, no breakfast in India isn't complete without a chai.
Nearly said chai tea, didn't you?
Nearly said chai tea. Oh, it's hot. Nice. Not the best I've had. It's really milky and tea. Not as masala-y.
This is a part of the day that you don't really see a lot of on camera, but we sort of spend our mornings after we've, if we've got breakfast including the hotel, we'll have breakfast. If not, we normally don't have breakfast. But we literally sit here, Reanne will do some editing. I literally don't do much, but I'm quite stressed at the moment because I'm receiving, it's a good thing and a bad thing, but I'm receiving lots of emails from people that want to like collab and work with us and stuff. Doing stuff like this, you've got to, what's the word, separate the ones that are rubbish, that are just people like semi-scammers, to like the serious ones, and then the serious ones you got to go through loads of steps. Oh, it's just quite stressful, and there's loads of emails, and I just can't bother. Maybe I just won't bother.
Ben!
As I say, this is not glamorous, but this is what we do.
I think it's glamorous.
Yeah?
I'm just sitting on my phone.
We're going to end the video here. If you want to see us explore one of the most religious places in India, Varanasi, subscribe.
Obviously, no bet. Good morning, guys. We just